Think blogging is dead? Think again. In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're showing you how to start and monetize a niche blog, and even if you've never written a blog post before. With the help of AI and free tools, you can build a blog that ranks on Google and earns you money passively. We're talking real income streams, ad revenue, affiliate commissions, digital product sales, and more. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a professional writer, a tech genius, or have thousands of dollars to invest. If you can follow a simple workflow and stay consistent, you can build a blog that generates income while you sleep. Let's dive in. Why blogging still works. Blogging is one of the oldest ways to make money online, and it's still going strong in 2025. Why does blogging still work? Google searches never stop. Every single day, billions of people turn to Google to find answers, solutions, and recommendations. If your blog post ranks for the right keywords, you'll get consistent traffic without paying for ads. Blog posts build trust and authority. Unlike a fleeting social media post, a well-written blog article positions you as an expert. People trust detailed, helpful content, and trust converts into sales. You own your platform. Social media algorithms can change overnight. But with a blog on your own domain, you control your content, your audience, and your income streams. Choose a money-making niche. Not all niches are created equal. If you want to monetize your blog quickly, you need to pick a niche that combines passion with profit potential. Here's what makes a great blog niche. Audience demand. Solves real problems. Has affiliate products or services to promote. You need monetization options beyond just ads. You can create 50+ posts easily. Tools to build and grow your blog. You don't need expensive software or a big budget to start a blog. Here's your complete blog starter toolkit. Most of it is free or low cost. Platform, WordPress.org, self-hosted. The gold standard for serious bloggers. Costs $3 to $5 per month for hosting or Bluehost. Full control, SEO friendly, and scalable. Medium, free to start. Great for testing your writing and building an audience fast. Limited monetization options, but perfect for beginners. Substack, free newsletter platform with built-in monetization. Great if you want to combine blogging with email. Content creation. ChatGPT, your AI writing assistant. Use it to generate outlines, write drafts, create SEO titles, and even brainstorm CTAS. Grammarly, free version, catches grammar mistakes and improves readability. Hemingway Editor, makes your writing clear and concise, free online tool. Design, Canva, free version. Create blog banners, Pinterest pins, social media graphics, and featured images. No design skills needed. Unsplash or Pexels, free high-quality stock photos for your blog posts. SEO and analytics. Google Analytics, free tool to track traffic, user behavior, and top performing posts. Google Search Console shows you which keywords you're ranking for and where to improve. Uber Suggest or Answer the Public. Free keyword research tools to find what people are searching for. Worth it if you're serious about ranking fast. How to write blog posts fast. Here's the exact workflow I use to write SEO-optimized blog posts in 30 to 60 minutes using AI. Step 1. Find your keyword. Use Uber Suggest, Answer the Public, or Google Autocomplete to find what people are searching for. Look for keywords with decent search volume but low competition. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT for an outline. Prompt. Create an SEO-optimized blog post outline for your keyword. Include H2 and H3 headings, intro, body, and conclusion. Step 3. Write the intro. Prompt. Write a compelling 150-word intro for a blog post titled Your Title. Hook the reader and explain what they'll learn. Step 4. Write the body. Use the outline. For each section, prompt ChatGPT. Write 200 words explaining subheading topic. Use simple language, short paragraphs, and include one actionable tip. Add images, bullet points, and bold text to break up the content. Step 5. Write the conclusion with a CTA. Prompt. Write a conclusion and call to action for this blog post. Encourage readers to download a freebie or click an affiliate link or subscribe. Step 6. Edit and optimize. Run it through Grammarly. Add internal links to other blog posts. Add affiliate links naturally. Optimize your meta description and title tag. Step 7. Publish and promote. Hit publish. Then share on Pinterest, repurpose for Instagram carousels, and send to your email list. With AI, you can publish one high-quality post per week. Ways to monetize your blog. Here's how blogs actually make money and how you can start earning even as a beginner. 1. Display ads. Google AdSense, Ezoic, Mediavine. Once you hit a certain traffic threshold, usually 1,000 to 10,000 sessions per month, you can join ad networks. They place ads on your blog and pay you per impression or click. AdSense, beginner-friendly, no traffic requirement. Ezoic, better payouts, requires 10,000 sessions per month. Earnings, $5 to $50 per 1,000 page views, depending on niche and ad network. And 2, affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission on every sale. This is the fastest way to monetize a new blog. Top affiliate programs. Amazon Associates, 2 to 10% commission. Share a sale, tons of niche programs. CJ Affiliate, Rakuten, Impact. Software tools, Bluehost, ConvertKit, Canva Pro. 3. Sell digital products. Create once, sell forever. Digital products are pure profit. Ideas, ebooks and guides, $7 to $47. Printables and templates, $5 to $20. Mini courses or workshops, $97 to $297. Use ChatGPT to outline and write your product. Use Canva to design it. Sell it through Gumroad, Systeme.io, or directly on your blog. 4. Sponsored posts. Brands pay you to write a blog post featuring their product or service. Once you hit 10,000 monthly views, you can pitch brands or join influencer networks. 5. Email opt-ins. Nurture, sell. Build an email list from day one. Offer a free lead magnet, checklist, guide, and template in exchange for emails. Use ChatGPT to write product pages, opt-in landing pages, email sequences, sales copy. Scaling and automating. Once your blog is generating traffic and income, it's time to scale and automate. Repurpose your content everywhere. Turn blog posts into Instagram carousels. Use Canva. Create Pinterest pins for every post. Repurpose posts into TikTok or YouTube scripts. Use ChatGPT for content planning. Create a 30-day content calendar for my blog in the niche. Include blog post ideas, social media posts, and email topics. Set up email automation. Use tools like Systeme.io, ConvertKit, or MailerLite to automate welcome sequences, product launches, and nurture campaigns. Outsource and delegate. Once you're earning $500 plus per month, hire a virtual assistant to update old blog posts, format and publish new posts, create Pinterest pins, manage social media. Blogging is still one of the most underrated ways to make passive income, especially when you combine it with AI. You don't need to be a tech expert or a professional writer. You just need a niche, a simple workflow, and consistency. Subscribe to Internet Paydays and comment your blog niche. I'll help you find monetization ideas, SEO topics, and your first affiliate programs. Let's turn your ideas into income. See you in the next episode.